Hi, I'm Jesus. Today I will show you what comes included in a 16-channel DVR with 8 cameras. Let's check it out. You have your DVR box, and your camera box. Let's see what comes in the DVR box. You have your DVR, this is an accessory box. Remote control, power cord, AC adapter, USB mouse, software CD for the DVR, warranty label, screws to mount the hard drive, DVR ears. This is to mount the DVR to a rack mount, like a server rack mount. Now let's see what comes in the camera box. Oh, many things. You have 8 pre-made cables to connect your cameras. Then you have a power splitter to connect the cables to it. A power supply for the cameras. And 8 cameras. Also, you have a quick start guide, stickers so you can put them around your house and let people know you're protected by Laview, and a small version of a user manual. Let's check the cameras. Here's the camera. And the screws to mount the camera as well. And this is what you will get in a 16-channel package with 8 cameras. Thank you for watching, and I'm Jesus.